Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about The Witcher Season 4. The Witcher Season 4 is now coming back and everyone is excited for the new episodes of this thriller series. All the previous episodes were hit with great performances from Henry Cavill, Anya Chalotra and Freya Allen. In October 2022, the makers announced Season 4 and people have now been excited ever since. But there's a big change as expected. Liam Hemsworth will be playing Geralt of Rivia instead of Henry Cavill. As they work on Season 4, the people making the show are facing challenges like strikes that have affected the schedule. Despite these problems, the filming will be started in the first half of 2022. The main actors like Anya Chalotra, Freya Allen and Joey Beatty are coming back, and Liam Hemsworth is bringing a new perspective to the character Geralt. Lauren Hissrich, who has been in charge of the show from the beginning, is directing again. Witcher Season 4 potential release date: when might new episodes be coming? Season 4 of The Witcher is due to start filming in March 2024 and last until October 2023 according to Redanian intelligence. So with post-production edits to be made following the season's wrap, we would expect an early 2025 release date. Production was originally scheduled to start in May 2023 with the show's casting director Sophia Holland confirming via Deadline. We are just about to start filming on Season 4 with Liam Hemsworth, and there will be a short gap and then we go straight into Season 5. However, things have become pretty eventful in May, most namely the WGA, Writers Guild of American Writers Strike, which began around the same time as Holland's announcement. It was then followed by Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artist Actors Strike, which started in early July. The production of many shows and movies came to a grinding halt, but both unions made a deal with the studios before the end of 2023. The Witcher fans will no doubt be pleased to have a production schedule to work with, but will just have to sit tight and wait for more news for a confirmed release date. The Witcher Season 4 cast who is returning. As per information, Henry Cavill will not appear in Witcher Season 4 after shocking fans and the entertainment industry with his decision to step down from the role of Geralt. Instead, Liam Hemsworth will lead the cast in what is arguably his most high-profile gig since the Hunger Games franchise wrapped up in 2015. Fans are divided on the choice but could be persuaded once they see him in action. Final words for The Witcher Season 4. The Witcher Season 4 is getting ready to continue the exciting story that people all around the world have loved. With Liam Hemsworth playing Geralt of Rivia, the show is entering a new phase that brings fresh challenges, interesting character interactions, and a mix of action and fantasy. The complex storylines involving Geralt's quest, series adventures with the rats, and Yennefer leading the Lodge of a Sorceress adds depth to the plot, making it engaging for both longtime fans and those who are new to the series. As they prepare to start filming in 2024 and aim for a release in 2025, fans can look forward to the official trailer for a sneak peek into The Witcher Season 4's visually stunning world. The creators will likely share more details about the plot, characters and themes very soon. We will update all the new updates regarding the series in the future. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.